Closing the course, practice makes perfect. Do check out the additional tutorials on our website. Given that you have come all of this way and completed the course, you'll be in a better position and a better place to understand how bespoke data visualizations work, and hopefully they will spark off your imagination. The key thing here, and I will always say this as a teacher, is practice makes perfect. For every hour you spend learning, spend an additional 5 hours practicing, mastering, and above all else, trying to apply the lessons you've learned to other subjects, to other visualizations that I have not covered, that's not on our website, to really apply the techniques in your own way for your own work. So again, the course is yours. Do the course again if you need to. Practice really does make perfect.